Before we begin to add images to our pen, we need to first get the images to the server. So let's begin with the MiraCosta Mat 125 class, and we will use CyberDuck. You could use FileZilla, you could use whatever FT program you like, but we will use CyberDuck. All right, so I am logged into the MAT server. I'll go to the student work. We'll find our student folder. I'll use my student folder. Here's the exercise 4 folder. You'll see I already have my images inside, but the concept is you would then take your files from your local drive. In this case, I have them inside exercise 4. Here are the images. So I can just take this folder and drag it onto the server. Now again, I already have the files on the server. That's all you need to do. Take the files for your exercise, place them on the server, then you'll be ready to begin using the images inside of your pen. Now, let's do the same thing, only for SDSU Art 344. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I go up to my bookmarks, history. I'll go to my 344 class. I'll go to public HTML because this is your individual student domain. So we'll go into public HTML. I have my exercise folders. I'll go into exercise 4. I already have the images here. Just take your folder from your local drive, drag it into your exercise folder on the server, and you will then have your images on the server in your domain ready to use in your pen.